Hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel for 11th June trade setup. The caption says that is bull strong enough to fight back. So whether we are going to see the bull trend tomorrow or not. So let's look at the Nifty chart. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju.
Hi Hemant, hi all.
So let me change my screen to Nifty chart. So hope you guys are able to see my Nifty chart. So let me zoom the Nifty chart. 1 second. So you can see it was just trying to hit this trend line today, and the maximum it reached 15,750, 5150 range. So tomorrow if it open positive or if it open above this trend line, so easily it can touch this 15,780 90 levels. Then if it break this 15,800, okay, easily it can touch 15,840. So that's a level which I'm expecting tomorrow on the uptrend. If it open positive, then easily it can touch 15,800. Then if 15,800 new high breaks, then we can see Nifty reaching one more new high tomorrow. That's about the uptrend. Suppose if market open negative, open below this trend line, and if it fails to hold this 15,700 or 15,680, then easily we can expect it can touch 15,621. That's the maximum what I'm expecting tomorrow. Downtrend is 15,600. On the upside, if it open positive, then we can expect 15,800, 850. So that's about the Nifty chart levels. So let's look at the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, we zoom at. So this was the call which we gave in our Telegram channel. So once it started breaking this trend line, right, we saw Bank Nifty moving up, and during that time Bajaj Finance and Axis Bank and all those things was moving up, and exact it reached this trend line 35,170. Okay, so I've shared this chart also with you. That was in maximum high it reached today, and tomorrow same like Nifty, if it open positive above this 15,200 230, then we can expect easily it can 35,230. If it opens, then we can expect it can touch 35,300 400 levels. Next level is 35,500. So this is the level which I'm looking for tomorrow on the uptrend. What I'm expecting is if it open positive, minimum it can touch 15,500 levels, and if it break this 15,500, then we can expect it can 35,500. We can expect it can touch 35,700 levels. So that's about the uptrend. Downtrend, if it reverse from this, then we can expect it can touch 34,800, and if it fails to hold this 34,800, then easily 34,600 levels on Bank Nifty. So that's the level which I'm looking for tomorrow. Let's look at the OI data, how it's showing. Okay, so if you look at the Nifty OI data, we have a strong support is 15,700, and 15,800 is a next resistance. So if it fails to hold these levels, right, 15,700, then further downside 15,600 levels we can expect. If it break this 15,800, easily we can expect it can touch 15,900 levels on Nifty. So let's look at the Bank Nifty OI data. We have very strong support 35,000 here. Okay, so if it fails to hold this 35,000 tomorrow, then we can expect it can come back to 34,500 levels. And if we see positive, we have a resistance till 35,500. So that's the reason I said we can expect, if it open positive, we can expect it can touch 35,500. So let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Before that, this is our training program, guys. If you guys are really interested to learn technical, you can contact me, Hemant at 369. This is the topic which we are going to cover. It is for a 1 month training only on weekends. So it will be per session 2 to 3 hours session and 1 month support. So that's what about our training program. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow. LNT, if it move above below this 1510, okay, then we can easily expect it can touch 1480 levels. That's about the LNT. Let's look at the Axis Bank. Axis Bank was showing positive at the closing session. So if it open positive, then if it break this 746 resistance, and exact it is a trend line here, okay, you can draw a trend line and can also watch here. If it break this, then easily we can expect 750 levels, 754, 760 levels on the Axis Bank. Let's look at the next stock, Hero Motors. It's currently on the downside and holding at this support 2990. If it fails to hold this 2990, then we can expect it can come back to 2960 levels. That's about the Hero Motors. Next is Ramco Cement. So Ramco Cement, if it break this 985, okay, so if it fails to hold this 985 on the support, then we can expect it can easily touch 960, then 954 levels. That's about the Ramco. So any queries, Manju, we have received?
Any enterprises?
Adani Enterprises from Pinto and Reliance and Shilpa Medicals and Bharti Foods. Let me open Reliance first. Reliance Industry. For now, it is exactly at the support. Oh, sorry, let me change my screen. Yeah. So it is exact at 2170. Okay. So if it fails to hold this 2158, right? Then we can see further downside till 2080 levels. Okay. On the Reliance. So you can note down this will be a exact support here 2158. That's a support here. If it fails to hold this, then we can expect it can come down on Reliance. And if it open positive and move above this 2200 levels, then we can expect it can touch this 2230. And also you can draw a trend line here. Let me draw. Okay. So if it break this trend line, we can see good move on Reliance. Okay, so tomorrow if it open positive, then it may touch this trend line. Be watchful at this trend line. It may reversal or it can break this. So that's about the Reliance. Next is Shilpa Medicare. So let me take on daily chart. So 590 90 levels is 9080 is a exact resistance here. Okay, and it has moved from 300 levels, and now it is trying to, people are trying to book profit. So if it fails to hold this level, okay, let me mark this 520 518. Okay, then you need to exit. If you are having a position, you can exit. Then it will come back to 480, 490, 480 levels, 490 levels. So if it tries to break this 592, then we can expect easily it can touch this 621 or minimum 616 on Shilpa Medicare. So next one is
Bharat Forge.
Bharat Forge. So you need to watch this symmetrical triangle. Okay, so the way today how Bank Nifty performed, right? It is squeezing this movement, the price. Okay, it may try to break any side. Okay, so the levels what you need to watch here is if it break this trend line, we can expect 791. Then as this support will be 744. If it fails to hold this 744, then we can expect 721. So that's about this. Next one is Adani. Port, right? Adani Enterprise. Okay.
Adani Enterprises.
Adani, Ambani, all are uptrend. Same way how it is moving as the previous. So you can watch this. You can also draw this trend line and you can watch if it fails to hold or break this 1630, then we can expect 1068. The next one is 1714. So if it break upwards, then we can expect this level, and this will be your support, and this will be your, if you are in position, this will be your stop loss. And if it fails to break this 1570, be very careful. Again it will come back to this level, then next one will be a very sharp fall, 100 rupees fall. That's about the Adani Enterprises. Thank you guys for watching our video. So any other queries, Manju? No, right? We are wind up. We need to wind up. We are 14 minutes up. So thank you guys.
UPL.
So I'll share the chat in the channel. Thank you. We'll see you on the next video because it takes time. Okay, I'll share that. Thanks, Manju, for joining with